Welcome to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, January 30th, 2023. My name is Robert Roy, and let's go ahead and jump right in. So keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. And if you like what you see, make sure you follow along with the various social platforms that we have going out there. Check out not only what we have here on YouTube, where you should subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified of all the latest and greatest, but also go over to tradinglikeaboss.com, especially days like today, on Monday, when we have a training going at noon called Power Hour. I spend 1 hour analyzing stocks that I see that have potentials to move, as well as looking at the stocks that you want me to take a look at for you. All right, let's go ahead and dive right in. We're going to go ahead and look very first at the economic reports. Let's go over to Forex Factory. We got nothing today, but remember, it is a Fed week, so keep in mind there are a lot of earnings as well out there this week for us to focus on. All right, next I want to look at the futures. So let's see where we're at. A sea of red, right? The ES is down 37. The Dow is down 215. The Nasdaq's down 153. RUT down 18 points. Bitcoin is still over 23,000, but it's down $1.50. Ethereum's almost 1,600, but down $29. Gold's down 4. Crude is down 13 cents, but it's under $80 a barrel again, so I definitely do like that. So if we go ahead and take a look-see at our charts, we'll see what's happening out there today. So we got the BABA first. You may notice I don't have a Fibonacci up here. You look at it and say we need to redraw, and you're absolutely right. We need a new fib. And if you're saying, wait, how do I know when to redraw, Rob? Again, go over to tradinglikeaboss.com. Down here, you see a Fibonacci, today's power indicator. Go get that free. It's a 3-part training series. You get 1 part each day. It's about 20 minutes each day where I teach you how to use fibs properly, all right? So you'll find that inside of there. But we don't have a V-top yet to draw. So we're going to have to focus off some previous fib lines from back here that we're going to utilize. So right now, Alibaba, they're down $6.58. There's talk of moving their headquarters elsewhere. So that makes them a move to the downside on BABA, for whatever reason, moving their headquarters, but $6.58 to the downside. That puts them at 111.85. We'll call it 112 right now. So we're underneath that 117 level if we're down at 112. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 117, above that fib level right there. Then we have Bill, B-I-L-L, right? For them it was a downgrade. Actually, they got to maintain, but I don't think the number was like for the maintain. So they're down $2.41 right now on that. That puts them at 117.5. They were in a bullish bias. 117.5 puts them down about here. So it's not a big move down. They're still bullish. You can look at a bear call spread above 126 aggressive, meaning just do less contracts. I would not do the full lot there, right, because of that bullish bias. Then we're looking at EW. EW got a downgrade. They are right now down $1.17 to about 77. So they're underneath that $78 level, 78 to 81. Yeah, we don't need Fibbits in there. So we can look at a bear call spread above 78. Right? You know what? I want the stock to move first. I want the stock below 77, 76.5. No, let's see, 77. Yeah, below 76.5. Then retest the 78 level. Then take the bear call spread. So I wanted to go down a little bit more, come back up, fail, prove to me that the bulls have tried and failed, and that line is holding, and then I'll consider the bearish entry. Google, woo, they're rocking, baby. They were. Today they're down. Right? Also, they're going to maintain in there. They may just be whiplash of everybody else that's moving down today. Keep in mind, we've got earnings coming out on the 2nd, which is Thursday. Right? You got Google, you got Amazon, you got Apple, all on Thursdays after market. Right? Different times, but all after market. So right now, they're down at $98 a share. Just under that $99 level. We could look at a bear call spread above 100. Right? I don't want to do that 99 level. It's a little too tight. We've bumped our head on ugly twice. ugly being 100, and failed both times. Cold, K-O-L-D, not a stock that I look at very often. I have viewed it in the past because I already had fibs drawn on it. So when we look, fibs are good. I don't need any new fibs or any fibbits put in there. So right now, KOLD got an upgrade there. The only one of our stocks that are up today. Caution, trade with the S&P. You'll have a better chance of being right, but this one's moving. We're going to look at it when the market opens, right? They're up at $53 right now. So they are still below that 55 level right now. And we're going to look at a bull put spread below 46. We got way down there, baby. Tesla back in the news again. You better believe I'm back. They're actually down today. With an upgrade, they're down. So I would pass on the downgrade for them. It wasn't a big company. They're only down $1 right now in pre-market, $1.03. I would pass on it, but I would be looking at a directional trade. Right? I'd be looking for trade options on it. Break the 177.64, retest and bounce. I'll take a bullish entry. Fail up the 177.64 and retest and drop. I'll take a bearish entry. So bullish above, bearish below. And you can trade credit spreads based on that same move. Bull put or bear call based on the move up, the retest and the bounce, the move down, the retest and the fail. Either one gives you a credit spread potential. Last is yin, not ying, yin. They got a downgrade. Yin is down $6.59 on that downgrade. That puts them at 6606. So it puts them right at that fib line, guys, right there. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 69, which is the 8 EMA. I'm going to write that note in there so I've got that. Right? That's our 8 EMA. Woo, couldn't get the words out. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You have a great rest of your day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care. I will see all of you at our next update. Bye for now.